Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From the previous lecture, we started the topic of thanatology, and it deals with the study of phenomena of death. And we discussed the death, what are various phases, and why it is important to certify death, especially in organ transplantation. So, continuing with the previous, this is the second lecture, and today we'll discuss what are the causes of death and what is sudden death and death certification. Then the causes of sudden death and WHO, World Health Organization criteria of death certification or international format of death certification, because we have to give the cause of death. That means the cause which is the immediate cause and that was due to some underlying pathology. So it's a format, and we start from the present disease or present condition which led to death, but the underlying pathology will track back and we'll discuss in the detail. So, continuing with the topic, the causes of death. The causes of death, they are basically natural because of some disease process or unnatural. The natural causes disease in any organ, CVS, respiration, CNS, or any other organs pathology which is the natural disease, local or systemic. And unnatural, damage to the organ or damage to the system. Any organ damage lead to disruption or distortion of the system, and similarly if the organ itself is damaged, then the vital functions of the body, when they are interfered, they will be causing unnatural death. So the natural death we'll discuss system wise, like diseases of central nervous system, and they are hemorrhages, rupture of the vessels leading to apoplexy with the raised intracranial pressure pressing the brain, then aneurysms or embolisms. This is the hemorrhage within the cerebral cortex, and this is the subdural or epidural on the surface pressing the brain surface. Or any cystic tumor, cerebral hemorrhages, subarachnoid hemorrhages under the arachnoid membrane, epilepsy, thrombosis, infarction, embolism. So these are various diseases, meningitis, tumors of the brain, and rupture of vessels within the tumor. Because when the tumor is rapidly growing, the circulation itself of the tumor becomes compromised sometimes, or it leads to hemorrhage. So these are the causes within the central nervous system. Then generalized metabolic disorders like uremia or cerebral vascular conditions, the most common, the ischemic heart diseases, MI, and in the respiration, the asthma, the cardiopulmonary disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, or pneumonias, or any other disease which can cause interference with the process of respiration leading to death. Now about the unnatural death, that means the unnatural damage. That may be either accidental, road traffic accident, slip, fall, or whatever is the cause, damage to the structures like head injury, damage to the intracranial structures, similarly other contents of the abdominal cavities, and the homicidal, stab, incise wound, lacerated wounds, gunshot wound. So they are the homicidal causes of death. Then the suicidal, any suicidal injury or poisoning, any poison like alcohol or opium or any poison that can cause death. So these are. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokhar, lectures on forensic medicine.